Federal High Court sitting in Umuahia, Abia State capital, has ordered the federal government of Nigeria to pay the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the sum of 500 million naira as damages following his illegal adoption and human rights abuse from Kenya. Welcome to the channel, welcome to today's news, and welcome to today's update. Frankly speaking, as soon as I set my eyes on this post, I felt so bad. What on earth has this man done to be passing through all of this? There is nothing good about, in fact, nothing good to write about Nigerian government. I'm just going to share this post with you guys. And by the end of the post, we're going to say one or two ways on how we feel about it. The court also ordered the federal government to return him to Kenya from where he was extradited to Nigeria on June 19, 2021. Justice Anyadike insisted that the extradition of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu from Kenya without recourse to the legal process was a flagrant abuse of his fundamental human rights. According to Justice Anyadike, that the respondent failed to disprove the claims of the applicant that he was arrested, blindfolded, tortured, and chained to the ground for 8 days in Kenya before his extradition to Nigeria. Challenging his extradition from Kenya on June 19, 2022, Ejamako told the court that the suit is suit of a special class and was primarily aimed at redressing the infamous unlawful extradition reduction to Kenya, which is a clear violation of his fundamental right under Article 12(4) of the African Charter on Human and Purpose Rights, as well as Chapter IV of the Nigerian Constitution. He then said, in addition to the reduction, I am asking the court to redress the myriad violation that came with the reduction, such as the torture, the unlawful detention, and the denial of the right to fair hearing, which is required by the law before anybody can be expelled from one's country to the other. I am also seeking to halt his persecution and restore him to the status before his reduction on 19th June 2021. You will recall that on January 19, 2022, the High Court of Abia State decided that portion of violation of Kanu's fundamental right that occurs in 2017, even as I had made claims that bordered on reduction, the court declared judicial on grounds that reduction being related to extraction lies within the exclusive of the Federal High Court. This is what informed my decision to initiate the suit before the Federal High Court. To be sure, the extradition reduction of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu triggered the whole Nigeria. With that being said, and that is it for the news and the update of today. Let me know what you think about all of this at the comment section. Frankly speaking, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu does not deserve all of this going on. This is Nigeria drama. This is inhuman justice. If the court, or let me say, I'm not going to put the blame on the court right now because the court has already justified him and free him as a free man. But the government, if this government, Nigerian government, is so strong, why don't they just chase Boko Haram, bandits, and let an innocent man go free? An innocent man who is just fighting for the freedom of his people. Come to think of it first, if Nigeria is okay, everything is going the way it's supposed to go, or the way it should be, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu would not have come out and say he wants to fight for Biafra. Am I in support of Biafra? Of course, yes. Compared to what is happening in Nigeria today, everyone wants Nigeria to be divided. Also, I talking now, I want them to divide Nigeria, give me my share, and let me go. Because this is oppression. The oppression is too much. The government doesn't care about any single civilian. All they know is their family, selfish people, greedy people. So Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was the only and still the only man who could come out and face them physically, bomber to bomber. That is why you say they are taking all of this on this man. It makes me feel so bad that the Nigerian government is useless. Anyways, I'm so angry about all of this. Let me know what you think, like I said, at the comment section. Don't forget to like the video, share the video, subscribe to the platform, and you'll hear from me for my next one. Bye for now.